Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to export your design from Canva to PowerPoint, so you can present or edit your slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a great way to combine Canva's design tools with PowerPoint's presentation features. On your Canva dashboard, we can convert this project into a PowerPoint by clicking Share in the upper right corner. From there, we will click Download and then select the file type. We will click the drop-down button and choose PPTX, which is the Microsoft PowerPoint format. Once that is selected, we will click Download and wait a moment for it to finish. Once the download is complete, we can check the Downloads folder. As you can see, we already have a PowerPoint file here, and if we check the properties, it confirms it is a PowerPoint file type. And that is how we can export a Canva design into PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. The slides are now ready to present or customize further.